In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the kettlebell high pull catch properly, safely, and effectively so you can add that to your goblet squats, your 2-arm presses, and you can effectively get the belt up while bracing your entire body, keeping it safe, and continue to make progress and getting stronger. All right, the high pull catch is one of the foundational exercises that I started with, that everyone starts with, to get the belt from the floor to the double rack position. So you can do a squat or a 2-arm press. But first, you need to focus on getting the belt up. All right. So again, that's what today's video is about. So the high pull catch, I have my 4-step system today. The bell by your toes. I'm going to show you how to do this. All right. Bell by your toes. Okay. So that the bell can go straight up as you high pull it. If the bell's here, as in a deadlift, by your ankles, that bell's not going to go anywhere you want it to be. So bow by your toes, and then we're going to hinge down, and then we're going to grab those handles. All right. So you're hinging down here. You're going to grab those handles, and then one powerful movement. This is the high pull catch. You're pulling it up with your hands, and you're powering up with your glutes, and it should float up, high pull, and you catch it because it's floating up. All right. Let me show you what that looks like from the front. Catch. Down. It should be weightless. If you add the power you need to, it's going to float. As you can see, float. All right? Float. All right? So, doing it from the side here, as you can see, the power comes from my glutes and hips. All right? So you're focusing on, again, hinging down. So we got the garbage truck. We got to hinge down. Grab those handles. Step 1, step 2. Tack, and you shoot that bell up. Boom, your glutes, hips should fire just like you do in a swing or a deadlift. You're taking the energy and you're channeling it to power that bell upward. All right, looks like this from the side. Notice how my glutes, hips, everything locks out as the bell floats up. And my breath, power breathing at the same time, synchronistic. All right? That's how you do a high pull catch. All right? Last thing is catching and bracing, which is the 4th step. So you catch, you brace. Because like I said earlier, you're going to take the high pull catch and not just have it as its own exercise. You can do that. But ideally, what we're going to do with this exercise is add it to either the goblet squat. So brace, squat, or the 2-arm press. We high pull catch it. All right. So, which I have other videos on, check those out. But first, we need to get this 2-arm press down. So practice it, rewatch this video, take it step by step. Again, bow by your toes, hinge down, grab those handles, and then abs tight, brace it up, power it up, and it should float up. You should catch it nice and easy on those handles, all right? So practice it, and then you brace, catch and brace, right? So practice. All right, practice 5 reps of those, right? That still takes energy, it still takes power. I mean, this is a 16-kilo bell, but it still gets my breath going, my heart rate going. Imagine if you did a heavier bell, all right? And we will, but you need to first get this down. All right, practice those, all right? 4-step system here. Again, practice safe, practice smart, watch my videos, learn everything the correct way with the kettlebell, because you're gonna get so much benefit out of this type of training, this full body training that I absolutely love, that turns everything around many, many years ago for me and my training approach as a trainer for over 12 plus years. Now with bells, love it. Would never go back. Bells are where it's at because it is full body training. and you get a lot of benefit out of it because you're using your entire body, but you need to do this correctly and safely. That's why I make these videos. That's why I'm teaching you this right now. That's why I have other instructional videos. So you can take all this, put it together safely, and go do a full body video workout that I have out there as well. All right. So take this, apply it. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave comments below. I want to help you. I want to help you get better. I want you to learn this safely. So you continue to get stronger, burn body fat, get better every single day, and continue to make progress injury-free always. All right. So I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be the kettlebell squat to press or thruster. First, get this 2-arm press, high pull catch down. All right. So I will see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Train strong. Go get it. See you later.